Bombay to Abu Dhabi. I think we'll land in Abu Dhabi in about 30 to 45 minutes.
An hour.
Okay, an hour. And we are landing in Zurich at 6 p.m. Zurich time. So we are all very excited. This is the start of the trip. This is Vipul, one of the characters for this vlog. This is Bobby, the second character for this vlog. This is main character of the vlog.
She has 2 sets of lips.
Context, forget it. Not a joke for everybody to understand. Yeah, do you have any words for the vacation?
I am looking forward to it. We are up for a lot of fun.
Fair enough.
4 people as friends are going come and we'll see how many people come back as friends.
What does that mean?
We're setting the tone for the trip. Bobby, by the way, is wine drunk right now.
Well, is the word not drunk?
I mean, sure. I'm down 1 glass of wine. Vipul is down 1 glass of orange juice because he doesn't drink apparently. I don't know what he's doing on a trip with the 2 of us then, but you go back.
We'll get there soon.
Okay. So now I'll check in from Abu Dhabi. Bye. Guys, this is the 4th character of the trip, Mehak. Say hi, Mehak.
Hi.
Mehak, where are we?
In Zurich?
Have we landed?
Yes.
What time is it of the day?
It's 8:30 p.m.
And as you can see, it's completely bright.
Look at the sky.
Yes.
Feels like 8:30 a.m.
A rainy night and go quit playing.
That's Bobby.
No
He's
wonder-
tired.
No wonder people keep partying and all.
This is Ria. Ria is also tired.
Yeah.
Mehak is waiting for Vipul to. Mehak is waiting for Vipul to finish a shower.
Ruined it.
No, this will stay. And then she'll go for a shower. Then Bobby will go for a shower. I don't know if I'll go for a shower.
Crazy.
Okay, now we're in Zurich. We are exhausted. We'll let you know about the rest of the updates. So guys, it's about what?
भटक रहे हैं.
It's about 2:30.
ज़ूरिख की गलियों में.
स्विट्जरलैंड की स्ट्रीट्स पर हम अकेले भटक
All your questions are answered by everybody else.
clearly.
So we went out partying. We went to this techno type gig. It was a rave, right? Technically.
Yeah.
So it was a rave with different stages. Bobby, you're not visible. Come this side. No. Okay. Right. So we did that, and then we also went to this bar. It's a nice bar. Now it's 2:30. We are stuck.
And we're up for 24 hours.
Yeah, we're up for 24 hours. I was up for 24 hours. Can you imagine?
No, we can't.
I know exactly.
Nobody can.
And now we're excited to just hit the bed and be excited for day 2.
Yay.
I don't know what we're going to do tomorrow, but that's a tomorrow problem. I'll update you. Bye. Hi guys, so we checked into a hotel and now we've come out to the Zurich Lake.
Yes.
And like the Zurich city center.
Look how pretty it
So
is.
we're currently at the lake.
So pretty.
It is too sunny.
Yes.
And now the plan is to go to just explore the city for a bit and then go to a lake for a swim. And yeah, that's it. Is there anybody have anything else to say? Okay, bye. Hi guys, so we're at this supermarket chain called Coop in Switzerland. It's one of the funnest supermarkets over here. It's also the cheapest. We typically buy our lunch from here, and there's a bakery section. It's basically like a big bazaar, but 10 times better. वो छोड़ दे, एक्सपेंसिव तो छोड़ ही देते हैं. Okay guys, so it's about 2:20 in the afternoon and we are in Grindelwald, right? Yeah. Now I'll tell you the story of today morning. We were supposed to take a bus to we were supposed to take a bus to come to Interlaken and Grindelwald at 8 a.m. At 7:30 a.m. we are all ready, we are downstairs. And we figured out the way to go. We got those line bikes and we were like, it'll be the easiest because we're showing a 13-minute ride. But it didn't work out, okay? And at 7:50, we were figuring this out to 7:50. Then at about 7:50, 7:55 is when we decided that there's no way we are going to get on those line bikes. And we decided to just take a cab and go.
A metered cab, not even an Uber.
Please don't do that ever in your lives in this country. All over EU, please never do that. It took us about 20 minutes to reach and we obviously missed our bus, as one would. And
That's
then,
one tragedy.
That's one tragedy.
Yeah.
Champu fell.
That is an ongoing tragedy for the rest of my life.
She fell while we were on the bike and
So now the
she
trip
hurt
has
herself.
officially begun.
So yeah, now we are officially in holiday mode.
Until unless I trip and fall, the holiday doesn't begin.
And then we got to the bus station and then we had to pay another some amount of money to
Not
get
a lot of.
yeah. And then we had to get to and then we got into a different bus. That bus dropped us to Interlaken. We were chilling in Interlaken for about 20 minutes. That's it. And then we took our own tour guide bus. And
Which we found like after a lot of trouble.
yeah, we had to run for it. So the only two people with bad knees, Bobby, say hi.
Hello.
Two of us were running, one, and two were walking. I don't know why, but ठीक है.
Yeah, because we trusted them enough to make the bus stop.
We
for us.
walked so that you could run.
Yeah, exactly, my point.
We ran so you could walk.
Yeah, same thing.
No, very different
Just put
things.
differently.
Very different things. We got the bus.
Still, you
Then-
didn't get a window seat, so what's the point?
You did?
Yeah, it was a double-decker bus.
We walked, no? You ran
Yeah, we ran so that we don't miss the bus all over again.
Yeah, but
because you were running. So like,
we walked, but we still didn't miss it.
Thanks to me and Bobby.
That's what.
Okay, whatever. Tangential. Then what we did? Then we came here. We came to Grindelwald. We ate at Coop, which is a supermarket. We got salads, pasta salads, and we got a couple of things. And we ate, and now we're just chilling in Grindelwald. I'm having a beer. Champu's having iced tea because she doesn't drink. Bobby's also having a beer, and Vipul is, well, being Vipul.
Sharing with everybody.
Whatever you make out of it. And oh, I should show you the views also. Wait. And now for the main view. Okay, I think that's all. Do we have anything else that I have missed in the vlog, guys? Any other tragedy? Oh,
More to follow.
more to follow. We'll keep you updated. This is just the beginning.
I mean, clearly, guys, you should expect a mess.
She is the main character of the vlog. I was right when I said I was the main character.
All the time.
Okay, see you. Hi guys, it's about 6:40 in the morning. We are up since 4 a.m. By the way, we didn't vlog at all last night because we were once again lost on the streets of Zurich.
But we had so much fun.
We had the fun is always had. That is an underlying truth.
Yeah.
But we were once again lost on the streets of Zurich.
And how much did we spend on that scooter?
People, we don't talk about money in this vlog. We don't talk about money. We talk about fun and getting lost and all of that. And Chamku here took the train while we took the lime
She
scooter.
Took a wise decision.
She took a wise decision. And listen, but
Financially,
financially, yes.
Yeah, and physically.
Physically, because
Not very equipped.
you remember in the last clip how she fell? So
we need CCTV footage outside of that hospital.
yeah, if we could have gotten it, I would have put it in the vlog.
It will go viral.
So we just now today we are finally flying to Rome. So from here we are flying to Rome, and then from Rome we are taking a train to Florence because Florence is the first stop in Italy. How excited are you, Chamku?
Very. It feels like the vacation is finally going to start.
Yes, same. I have the
Summer in Italy.
yes, I have the same feeling that my vacation is just going to start. I'm dressed in the most Italy appropriate shirt.
Cute.
Vipul, what are your thoughts and feelings? I know you are very sad to leave. So
I am very sad to leave Switzerland, but my wallet is pretty happy.
okay, Bobby's here. Hi.
Hey guys, what's good?
We told them about what happened last night.
What happened last night? Oh,
Us getting
scooter
lost.
Adventure.
And what are your thoughts about going to Rome, Florence today?
Well, my office speaks for itself. I'm so excited. I woke up in the morning, dressed up fully.
He is the only one with makeup on right now, by the way.
Seems like their problem.
Yeah, rest of us have barely washed our faces.
Yeah, in the morning I moved into the washroom and I saw him blending his makeup. I was like, what is happening? It's 6 in the morning. Why is he blending his makeup?
So we just got some coffee, pretzel, some chakli type bakery product and some oats.
Yeah.
Mehek is the only healthy one out of us who had oats in the morning.
I love oats. Need to have.
Yeah.
Yesterday I almost fainted.
Oh
After
yeah,
being
that's the tragedy of yesterday.
I don't know how many hours.
Yeah, and now we're at Zurich. Bobby wants an outfit pic.
But come on.
You go, girl. And now we're at Zurich. I will update you all from Rome now, okay? If I remember to vlog, that is because half the time I forget. Okay, bye. Guys, we're in Rome right now. Chamku, first thoughts.
Well, first thought is that this looks like India in bed.
Okay. Vipul, first thoughts. First thoughts about Rome.
What a downgrade.
It's slightly underwhelming, but I'm looking forward.
Yeah.
Bobby,
Too early to judge.
first thoughts about Rome.
First thoughts, aside from the airport, we're looking forward to it.
Okay.
Priorities.
We will see you soon. Hi guys. So I didn't vlog from the train. I didn't do anything because I was sleeping. He
Yeah,
was
I have-
sleeping, she was sleeping, he was sleeping. All of us are
cute
sleeping.
videos of you sleeping.
I love that. I will insert them here if he sends them to me.
Sure, I will.
We just reached our apartment in Florence. We are sitting here on the road because we just walked for 1.5 kilometers in about 40-degree heat. I'm just saying it's 40-degree basis how it feels. I don't know the facts.
We almost died.
We almost died. And the train ride was fun.
36 degrees.
मैं सच्ची बताऊँ आपको,
राउंड ऑफ कर लिया
ये ट्रेन इधर का वंदे भारत है.
या
वाइब्स सेम ही थी.
खाने
आंटियाँ
को कुछ नहीं दिया ना
हाँ, खाने को कुछ नहीं दिया, वो भी ठीक है. और आंटियाँ बक नहीं कर रही थी इधर भी. अब हमको हमारा लगेज
चढ़ाना है
3 माला चढ़ाना है खुद. हमको नहीं पता हम ये कैसे करने वाले हैं. और आपको मैं फ्लोरेंस की गलियाँ दिखाऊंगी, बट अभी नहीं, थोड़ा टाइम में. अभी मेरे में कोई
देखने लायक हो जाएंगे तब आपको दिखाएंगे.
हाँ, चमकू वापस बोलिए.
मैं कह रही हूँ जब हम खुद देखने लायक हो जाएंगे फ्लोरेंस की स्ट्रीट तब हम आपको भी दिखाएंगे जरूर।
हाँ, क्योंकि अभी हम मर चुके हैं। चलो सही है, बाद में बात करते हैं। मैं ज़्यादा अंग्रेज़ी का इस्तेमाल नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत अंग्रेज़ लोग हैं।
ऐसा बोल रही है वो।
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो मिलते हैं। Guys, so we just got ready for the night. We slept after coming back. After coming back, there's a photo shoot going on here. We both already finished ours because we got ready fast and first.
So efficient.
And we just made our pre-drinks. If you know, I made the drinks, so you already know how they are.
These are the most lethal drinks of this trip, probably. Hopefully, these are the most lethal. We wouldn't have to like have
The thing
anything
is
like
that
this.
I'm not trusted with bartending duties in
100%.
anywhere. But come on, this will get you where you need to be.
When?
Agree or
What
not?
place is that?
Do you agree or not?
Yeah, but the task is to like
So
shove it
yes,
down my throat.
I'm a good bartender. End of story.
Cheers, guys.
इन लोग का अलग ही चल रहा है. Guys, you all have something to say?
Yes, to drinks. That may not be your hangover.
Does it get you where you need to be? Is the question.
guys, I'm the only one
We
not
know if I
drinking.
get there.
These piakkars are.
You do realize everybody watching my vlog is also a beer curd, right?
So you're the
Sorry, nothing against piakkars.
And now
कल जाना पड़ेगा.
I don't know. Oh, guys, Chunku's going on a date tomorrow. I'm so excited.
क्या है इसका?
हम भी आएंगे बाजू वाले टेबल में बैठेंगे.
या हम वो पक्का करेंगे. हम सिर्फ शुद्ध हिंदी में वार्तालाप करेंगे.
Theo.
Oh my God, did she get a date?
Theo Broma, yes.
Oh yay!
Theo Broma. सच Theo Broma यार कहाँ से आ गया भाई?
Cheers to whatever. Okay. Oh yuck! Oh yuck! Fuck off! Don't say that. Yuck. Okay, bye.
Did I just?
Vipul,
Yes.
thoughts on the trip so far?
Okay, I'm loving it. I love this apartment. We just changed the whole vibe for us today. Initially, it was like slightly. We were not that happy after Switzerland. It's good now. Liking it.
Okay. Bob,
1 second.
Chunku.
Well, I think we did feel a little underwhelmed after coming from Switzerland because we saw so much beauty there. But I guess it'll be fun to explore. Italy has its own vibe.
Yes, Theo.
Bobby.
Hi, what's the question of
First impressions of the trip so far, or thoughts about the trip so far, either way.
the whole trip so far?
So far, yeah.
I mean, it's been great. Switzerland was nice. Broke AF. Broke me. But Italy, let's see. We don't know anything yet. Looks promising. But overall, I am feeling sta alla grande grazie.
Whatever the fuck that meant. Okay, bye guys. Vlog ke liye. Okay guys, so we're
Okay,
just
मस्ती ज़्यादा.
chugging our last sip before we.
FOMO, max FOMO.
You are not drinking. It's not our fault.
See how she talks to me. How do you allow her to talk to me like that?
Was he to allow me, bro?
इसमें पैसा लगता है 2 यूरो का है.
4 फोटो दो.
गाइस अभी हम एक फोटो बूथ के बाहर खड़े हैं. उसका नाम है फोटो ऑटोमेटिक का. 2 लड़कियां अंदर है, हम खड़े हैं हमारे चांस के लिए.
ये देवी जी निकलेंगी तो हम फोटो ले पाएंगे.
हमको काफ़ी अनॉय कर रही है ये देवी जी. आप सहमत हैं इस बात से? आप सहमत हैं इस बात से?
Sorry, one minute.
आप सहमत हैं इस बात से कि ये देवी जी हमको अनॉय कर रही है?
अलग अलग प्रकार के poses. They spend money, they're doing what they want to do.
बॉबी जी के पास बहुत एम्पैथी है, तो वो अभी वो थोड़ी ज़्यादा ड्रंक होती ना तो वो भी अनॉय होते. बट ठीक है,
very drunk.
यू आर नॉट, बट ओके. हाय गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग. ये हमारा दूसरा दिन है फ्लोरेंस में. अभी हम चल रहे हैं एक गाइडेड वॉकिंग टूर की तरफ. डुओमो जा रहे हैं हम. और बॉबी आगे है, विपुल और मैं पीछे चल रहे हैं।
As usual.
हाँ, और महक थोड़ी बीमार है तो वो आज के टूर में हमारे साथ नहीं आएगी। मैं हिंदी में इसलिए वार्तालाप कर रही हूँ क्योंकि हमारे आजू बाजू काफ़ी लोग हैं।
कहाँ है भाई लोग आसपास?
नहीं, पहले थे ना। और ये दादी अम्मा भी चल रही हैं हमारे आगे। अभी हम आपको फ्लोरेंस की गलियाँ दिखाते हैं, काफ़ी सही है।
बस के लिए तो नहीं है।
Hi guys, it's much later in the day. We went to the Duomo and a gallery and did some shopping during the day. And then we came back and we slept because it was too hot. And now we stepped out again. We ate the most lovely meal. We ate a pesto gnocchi. We ate a, which pizza was it? Vegana.
Vegana.
Yeah, we ate a Vegana pizza. It was lovely. We ate 2 desserts. And guys, the best part, we
They
got
gave us
free
complimentary
alcohol.
prosecco and melon shot.
Meloncello.
What, 4 complimentary drinks each.
Yes. These are perks.
And discounts, 30% off.
30% off. And
These
these
are steal.
are the perks of traveling with people who don't drink. It's beautiful. We get double the alcohol for free.
Only reason you travel with me, na?
Chonku Koras.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, I've clicked a lot of clips through the day, so I'll insert those wherever. And now Bobby and me are heading out to party if we find some place. Yesterday it was dead. Hopefully today it won't be.
It won't be.
And these two are going and
Yeah, we are
laughing.
going.
And we have to wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow. We have to wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow to go
Technically,
to
you guys are not gonna sleep.
Tower of Pizza. And let's see how that goes. We are excited. Okay, bye. Hi guys, अभी हम फ्लोरेंस की कोई गली में बैठ के दारू पी रहे हैं। हम बियर पी रहे हैं।
It's next to a bar. It's not a shady ass restaurant.
या इतना कुछ खराब नहीं है।
The bar is hot. She can sit outside.
जस्ट फॉर रेफरेंस यहाँ पे सब लोग वही कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ हम नहीं कर रहे। हमारी बियर का नाम है बीरा मोरेत्ती। तो बीरा का नाम इधर से आया था।
Correct. Birra means beer in Italian.
हाँ, हम मतलब मैं तो जानबूझ के हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ, बाकी लोगों को समझना है हम क्या बोल रहे हैं। ये पता नहीं क्यों अंग्रेजी में बात कर रहा है।
ठीक है, एकदम बिचिंग कर रहे हैं। बिचिंग की तरह बोलते हैं हिंदी में।
अच्छा, ऐसा है क्या? मेरे को लगा हमेशा।
नहीं, when you bitching about somebody, always Hindi or Marathi, depends on the niche.
भले। So, Vipul and Mehak have gone and they've slept. And we are here drinking.
Not with each other, apparently.
Apparently. What the fuck? That's your boyfriend that you're talking about.
I know, girl. Bigger thing.
There's some issues we need to discuss. We'll be right back.
No, they're not issues.
Guys, so I'm literally sitting on the streets of Italy. Oh, Bobby is here. Okay, cool. I don't have to sit on the streets of Italy anymore.
Girl beach.
Hi guys, good morning. We have just reached Tower of Pisa today. This is the... I don't know how much you can see, honestly. It's too sunny and I can barely see anything, so I don't know how much you can see. This is the first cathedral before going to Pisa. This is Vipul. He's not coming. Hey, Chamku's at the back and Bobby's at the front. And yeah, I'll keep you posted.
Does anybody want this scale out and have it?
Yes, sir.
पागल है क्या वो? मम्मी उठ के पाँव वापस चला गया।
Guys, I think you're not drunk.
I am tipsy.
I am not.
You're
tipsy
the only
also.
guy.
Yeah,
You left your drink there.
because his ass, he made it so bad. Okay, bye. Hello. We are at the Chalozia. It is the most beautiful thing that I've ever seen in Italy, because in the world it is me. हंसने की जरूरत नहीं थी, बट ठीक है. और हम
कर क्या रहे हैं?
इधर रिश्ते देख रहे हैं चंपू के लिए. बिफोर यू ऑल थिंक मेरे लिए नहीं है, इसके लिए. मैं सिर्फ
दीपक is okay.
Oh.
Before
दीपक एक ओके लगा हमको. और कुछ बोलना है आप लोग को
in
ब्लॉग
case
के लिए?
Deepak is the future. No, we don't know that yet.
ऐसे लोग कितने फ्यूचर जीजू बन जाएंगे तुम्हारे.
ओके.
अनुपमा wife.
ये है हमारी.
थोड़ा गुज्जू एक्शन में बात कर.
सीमा तपारिया लाइट.
अच्छा.
Ouch.
आउच. ओके बाय.